carousel.
Para saan ba to?
For Loro Piana. November pa, dear.
Ito yung ano?
Ito yung ano nila, deliverables nila. So, 1 IG carousel press day wearing yung new collection.
Ano bang show natin yan?
Wala tayo, dear. Ano na to? Nasa Pilipinas na tayo na to.
Ay, thank you, Lord.
November
okay,
20.
so kaya ko yan.
So, minimum of 5 IG stories sa Singapore.
Pupunta na Singapore?
Oo. Overnight.
Okay, sige lang.
Though na-block off na to ni Ate Ira matagal na.
Okay. And then yung outfit ko, provided nila.
25, 26, provided.
Iba yun sa gifted.
Hindi, Brunello yun. Iba pa tong Loro Piano.
Okay, go!
Okay, go.
Sige lang.
Tapos, minimum of 5 IG stories and then 1 IG carousel na organic naman.
Ano yung deadline ko ng interview ng cover?
Today. Today yun yung Grazia. Kaya ba today?
Sige na.
Tapos, dear, ang rate nito...
Ay, tanggap. Katanggap-tanggap.
Share naman tayo room sila.
1 day overnight. Oh, not
Overnight.
bad. Hello.
Pero, magbabawas sila niyan.
Wala namang problema.
So, ito lalabas.
Ay, walang problema.
Okay, pasok sa
Kalahati
banga.
pa rin.
Pasok sa banga. Okay po. Pero, huwag naman nag-isipin.
Oo. I think we have time. Today is, what's today? Wednesday, Tuesday. And today we are, yes, we are going to the launching of Philip Stein. I'm so very, very excited. I've had this dress for, may 3 years na ba? 2 years? Parang tumutong.
Dear, parang magta-3 na.
Magta 3 years na. Was just finding a moment na pwede ko siyang magamit. Eto na siya. How fantastic is that? Kita lahat ng balat-balatan ko dito. Okay lang. Carry, dead ma. I'm working.
May-break ka.
Pwede bang magkiko mo? Ate Ai.
Oh, ay, which one?
Ano yung pinapagamit nila sa akin today? Do they have any
Infinity Bilog.
specific watch?
Infinity the Bilog collection.
Ah, okay. I like that. Nope. So, tatlo lang yung binigyan nila sa akin na gift eh. Kung gusto nila ako bigyan pa ng gift, okay lang. Para, kasi dami ko pang lalagyan na ng pangregalo nila sa akin. Ah, parang blue. This is the Infinity watch. I love this watch because you can tell the difference of time, of place, and country. So if I'm in the Philippines, ito yun. If I'm in Paris, ito yun. Hey! And then I'm just gonna put some of my accessories. Let the day begin! Time starts now! Ah, witty!
Naisip niya ba yun? Time starts now!
Galing ko dun ah. Let the day begin. Time starts now. Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Dun, dun, dun.
Go, go, go!
Kayang-kaya. Bagets ako. Ang dami kong pinipirma.
Dati nga, dati grabe 1,000 yan tayo.
Lahat ng notebooks pinipirmahan. Notebook na fairy ako. Notebook na Sailor Moon ako.
With Kalove Team.
Ay, wala akong kalove.
Ay, wala?
No,
As
hindi
Lizzie.
pumayag ang mommy ko.
I
Charot.
love it.
But guess what? So is this young lady right here. It is because of her, she has put the Philippines on the global fashion map with all her high heels and fabulousness. And it is because of her that she is an advocacy for purposeful luxury, where the spend is for a noble cause such as this. Ladies and gentlemen, joining us, she is the brand ambassador for Philip Stein and a global icon, style icon, girly itong na lahat. Ladies and gentlemen, Heart Evangelista!